Okay, good day mga kolokoy. Our topic for today is how to find the largest numbers or the largest number. So, based on how many inputs you created. Okay? Let's try to create the code. So see program yapon. Sharp include package main so we need, for example, you have 5 inputs, so you need to have 5 variables. So if 3 inputs lang, so you must declare 3 variables. So for example, for this example, we will cater 5 inputs created by the user. So int n1, n2, n3, n4, n4, n5. Okay. After that, we will use the printf. So we will ask the user to input 5 numbers or to input 5 integers. Enter 5 integers. /n. Okay. So let's try to run this program. So 0, okay, then we scan f %d 1 %d, so 5 ka, so we will use 5%d because we will expect 5 inputs by the user. Then percent n1 comma ampersand n2. Yeah, I will just copy this. N3, N4, N5. Okay, let's check if the program is correct. Okay, three, 1, 4. Okay. It accepts 5 integer. But then the problem is how to determine the 5 largest number. The largest number of your 5 inputs. So we will use the conditional statement, the if statement. So in comparing those inputs, so if Okay, if n1, so largest man, so largest, we will use the operator greater than. So greater than or equal to n2. So this is the first comparison. So if this statement will run, so it only tells that if n1 is greater than or equal to n2, then your statement, so we'll create a printf percent d is the greatest number, then n1, which indicates the number n1. So after that comparison, what will happen? If it is not true, so another if statement here. But the secret of this is you must compare n1 to the other three integers or the other three inputs. So that's why we will use and. So if we use and, it is true to all based on the condition. If we use or, only one is true, then this will be printed. Now another comparison, n1 will be compared equal to n3, and another and n1 is greater or equal to n4. Another and n1 n1 is greater or equal to n5. Save. So watch if we delete this. Oh, save. Okay. So let's try to input 5 numbers. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the program did not determine the largest because n1, the value of n1 is 4, which is less than 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's why you need this code. So for example, ten, 4, 6, 11, 8. Okay, there is no output because n1 compared to 4 is true, but n1 compared to 6 is true again. Then n1 is compared to n4, which is false. That's why there is no output here. So you need to put the other comparison. So after comparing n1 to the other 4 numbers, you need to create another comparison. So because we use 5 integers, so we need to use 5 comparisons. So if n2 is greater or equal to n1, another and n2 is greater or equal to n3. So we'll just copy this. N3 and we'll just okay, then curly brace, just copy this into okay, copy, change to n3, so n3 is greater or equal to n1, n3 is greater or equal to n2, n3 is equals to greater or equal to n4, n3 is greater or equal to, okay. So next is n4, n4 compared to n1, n4 compared to n2, n4 compared to n3, n4, then another n5 compared to n1, n5 compared to n2, n5 compared to n3, n5 compared to n4. Okay. Then copy, okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's try to run this program. Okay. Enter 5 integers, 10, enter 40, enter 30, enter 99, enter 100, enter. Okay, this prints 100. 100 is the greatest number. Okay, for any questions, so please comment your questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.